Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Do your videos on Pinterest have no sound, or does your music stop whenever you open the app? In this video, I will show you several proven fixes to get sound working again on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Then go to your profile photo at the top left. And here, go to Account Management. And find App Sounds toggle and make sure it's turned on. If that's off, video pins might be muted or sound disabled. Second is check autoplay and video sound settings. In the Pinterest settings, go to Social Permissions. Scroll down and make sure autoplay videos is enabled, or at least videos can play when tapped. On mobile, the sound for video pins plays only when you tap to open them. Step 3. Give Pinterest the required permissions. For that, go to Settings. Scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Pinterest. Go to Permissions and check permissions like microphone, camera, photos, and local. Let me allow the permissions for microphone and camera. Step 3. Clear cache, update app, or reinstall. If sound still is not working, clear the app cache. For that, scroll down and go to Storage. And here tap Clear Cache and clear data if needed. Check the App Store for Pinterest updates. Older versions may have bugs, and if needed, uninstall Pinterest and reinstall fresh. And make sure your internet, be it Wi-Fi or cellular, is stable. Poor connection may prevent sound files or video from loading. If using mobile data, check whether autoplay on mobile data is allowed in settings. If disabled, videos might load without sound or not play fully. And sometimes audio is muted or unavailable because of licensing in your country. If it says audio not available in your location, that's likely why. Some users have noted this issue on Reddit. In that case, there's no guaranteed fix unless Pinterest updates their license, but you can try contacting Pinterest support. And you can also try a simple logout, closing the app completely, restarting your phone, or relogging in. These steps can sometimes reset settings that got stuck. Also check if any background audio like music apps are paused or muted by Pinterest, because sometimes they pause or interrupt them because of ads or video pins. Some users report that browsing Pinterest causes their music to stop. And that's it. Those are the best fixes for when Pinterest sound is not working. If one of these worked for you, hit like, subscribe, and share what issue it was so others can benefit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.